Well, it's just moments ago the sun dipped below some of the clouds in the horizon right around 6 p.m. for the first time in 2026. And we're going to see those brighter evenings begin to become more common. And that's what's happening right now. More clouds, cold. We've seen our first 6 p.m. sunset for most areas west of I-75. And new data still showing a little February thaw tomorrow should take us close to 40 degrees. But a more sustained thaw is going to be out there next week. Now, we told you earlier last week that here comes first 6 p.m. sunsets have occurred now west of I-75. Now gradually it's going to work to the east as we go through tonight, tomorrow night, and eventually through the rest of the work week out there toward our eastern counties. And everyone then will continue to see that daylight that is gained into the evening. We are in the 20s right now. Another day well below freezing and another day below average makes 26 straight days where we've been below average with the temperature. I want to show you things from a satellite view, the quiet conditions with cloud cover, but what was absolutely dramatic, and this is a must-see right here, a crack on Lake Erie, the ice basically splitting it wide open across central Lake Erie, captured on satellite imagery Sunday. And this crack so large it was visible on satellite imagery about 85 miles long, and you can actually see that ice visibly shifting. It can and does happen, so we urge you caution when you're out on Lake Erie. Now, it did not directly impact the more stable, fast ice out here in western Lake Erie, where ice fishing is really vibrant this year. And look at this video, all the ice fishing that was taking place over the course of the weekend. This video from the Island Air Taxi, and it has been a banner year, catching some of those walleye out there on Lake Erie. So certainly continue to send those pictures and video along, as that ice is still about 96% ice covered. Now here's our warm-up that's going to be coming off to the south and west. That's where warmer air is working in from, and that's going to be our impact into Tuesday, warming back up to near 40 degrees, and overall a quiet weather pattern will be out there. So let's look at the numbers. 40 degrees on Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies. Will be warmer on for the overnight lows back in the 20s. We'll still stay upper 20s to near 30 degrees Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. For Valentine's Day, a little bit of a thaw. Mid-30s show up on Saturday. It will be dry. No storm systems as we go through the start of the weekend. Couple showers on Sunday. Overall, though, quiet conditions into the end of the weekend. And then next week is a more sustained February thaw. Should take us toward 40 or warmer on Monday, and mid-40s looking likely Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and could even see some highs that actually edge through the upper 40s by the middle of next week.
85 miles? Is that what you said?
There's a few things that I see weather-wise that make my jaw just kind of drop, and how quickly that crack on ice happened on Lake Erie over the course of the weekend. Of course, they had the beautiful blue skies. You'll be able to see that from satellite, but about an 85-mile long crack on Lake Erie. Now, fortunately, it wasn't where we're doing a lot of that ice fishing. It was central Lake Erie, and I've had reports out in western Lake Erie of that ice thickness of about 12 to 20 inches. Very thick ice coverage, but we always say no ice is ever safe ice, so be careful when you're out there.
Right, we've seen that play out so many times already this year. Chris, thanks.